Well, he's not guilty. That's his position, and that's consistent with his constitutional rights, where he's presumed not guilty until or unless it's proven beyond a reasonable doubt in court that he is. He was poised. He was taking detailed notes of what happened. It's certainly understandable why the FBI and state and local police acted quickly and promptly to these allegations. I want to see the evidence myself. I want to review the tapes, the recordings, the video. I want to talk to witnesses. I want to get a lot better picture of what was actually going on here, particularly from my client's perspective.
On cross, one of the attorneys was suggesting that perhaps it was the informant who was maybe kind of pushing them to do some of these things. What do you think of that?
Well, I think it's understandable why he said that, because that's become an issue in certain cases where the informant pushes some of the information, and the court and the government and the defense attorneys have to be leery of that because their job is not to assess what a government informant wants them to do. It's to assess the accused intent and what they actually plan on doing. Today's the first time that I've met with him since we just got, the judge just approved our appearance in the court this morning, so I haven't had a lot of opportunity to sit down with my client yet. And that's another reason that in these types of cases, it's important that your client is released from jail in these conditions, because it makes it considerably more difficult to meet with your client and discuss the facts of the case when they're locked up in the jail. And that point, the kind of confinement is exacerbated in the pandemic because their movement in the jail is further restricted so as not to spread coronavirus throughout the jail. So it's become a real issue in criminal defense, and I'm sure that the court will consider all those factors